Meaning of funder.
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 Funder. The term funder is generally used to refer to an individual or organization that provides financial support for a project or initiative. This can include funding for research, startup ventures, non-profit organizations, or other similar endeavors. The role of a funder typically involves evaluating proposals, assessing the potential impact of the proposed initiative, and providing financial resources to help bring it to fruition. Successful collaboration between funders and recipients can lead to significant advances in various fields, including science and technology, social services, and community development, among others.